Alembic Pharmaceutical Company required for different department and different qualification experience. And the packing department, position executive, senior executive, qualification B Farm, M Farm, experience 0 to 7 years experience. They have experience in blister packing, bulk and partial packing, packing documentation, track and trace serialization. More expectation from blister packing and cardonator, BQS, Ulmagan and CAM, bulk bottle packing and CV and Parma pack. Interested candidate, send your resume to fraudfarm@alembic.co.in. Department, packing department, position operator, technical officer and junior executive. Educational qualification ITI, higher secondary, diploma, BA, BCom, BSc, experience 2 to 9 years experience. Experience required for blister packing, bulk bottle packing, packing documentation, track and trace serialization. More exposure in blister packing, cardonator and PQS, Ulmagan and CAM, bulk bottle packing, CV and farm pack. Interested candidate, send your resume technician@albamic.co.in. Department, production department, position executive and senior executive. Education B Farm, M Farm, experience 2 to 7 years. Candidate must have experience granulation, compression, coating, capsule filling, blister coating, documentation, QMS and compliance. Expert on machinery, ACG, PAM Clarity, Glad Sejong, Bose Manistry, Bose capsule filling machine, AF90, AF40, 02000T. Production operator, position technician officer, junior executive. Education ITI, higher secondary, diploma, BA, BCom, BSc, experience 2 to 9 years. They require for experience in granulation, compression, coating, capsule filling, blister coating, documentation, QMS capsuling. More exposure on machine, ACG, Farm Glad Siaging, Bose, Manistry, Bosch, capsule filling machine, AF 910, AF 400T, 0200T. Interested candidate, send your resume technician@alembic.co.in. Quality control department, position executive and senior executive. Qualification MSc, B Farm, experience 2 to 7 years. They require for response for chromatography analysis of raw material, FE and stability samples on HPLC or GC. Interested candidate, send your resume at qualityform@alembic.co.in. Interested candidate, send your resume, current location, total experience, current CTC and expected CTC, notice period, everything you have to mention and send your that particular department, mention the mail ID. This is only for video call or Skype interview or telephonic interview only happen, not face to face interview not happen. So interested candidate, send your resume, all your details. This is not for any consultation or any paying registered fees, nothing will about. This is, you don't aware of that product calls anything. If anybody call in Alembic company, this is company only providing face to face interview not there, only Skype, video call or telephonic interview. Interested candidate, send your resume If your friends anybody is there, send to them also. Freshers and experience also required. Thank you.